Hi everybody! If you ask me why I like using Pastillage, I will have many answers for that question. With my many years of experience in cake making, there were situations where I have to come out quick solution to build large edible structures, including tall sugar buildings. In that kind of desperate times, Pastillage was always my loyal and most reliable best friend. In terms of height with a strength, I don't trust any other paste, especially if time is in a sense. If you decorate cakes, that means sometime you have to make some figurines. That is not a problem if they are sitting. But if you have to make standing ones, that is the challenge without skewers. Not with Pastillage legs. If you give them little rest, they will carry their bodies. I love making multi-tier storytelling cakes. To tell those stories, I need to talk with my fingers, to create variety of objects which actually speak for themselves. And if I don't have much time to fiddle, then I need an obedient and pliable paste so I can create my objects which do not sag, with a strong hold and dries fast. This is another one of my many reasons why I like to use Pastillage.